Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Obsidian to Claude step by step. If you use Obsidian for note-taking, research, or organizing ideas, connecting it with Claude can make your workflow much faster and more productive. With this setup, you can use AI directly inside your notes to generate summaries, brainstorm ideas, organize information, and even help write content without constantly switching between apps. Don't worry if you're new to Obsidian plugins, because I'll keep everything simple and beginner-friendly. Let's jump right in. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Once the app loads, look toward the bottom left corner and click on the Settings icon. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Community Plugins section. By default, Obsidian keeps Safe Mode enabled, which blocks third-party plugins for security reasons. So the first thing you need to do is turn off Safe Mode. Obsidian will show a warning message explaining that community plugins are created by third-party developers. Go ahead and confirm if you're comfortable continuing. Now that community plugins are enabled, click on the Browse button. This opens the plugin marketplace where you can search for different extensions and integrations. In the search bar, type Claude AI or search for a plugin that supports Claude integration. Depending on the latest available plugins, the exact name may vary slightly, so look for one that clearly mentions Claude or Anthropic support. Once you find the plugin, click on it to open the details page. Now click the Install button. Obsidian will download and install the plugin automatically. After the installation finishes, click Enable so the plugin becomes active inside your workspace. At this point, the plugin is installed, but you still need to connect it to your Claude account. Now go back into the plugin settings. Most Claude plugins will ask for an API key or authentication token. To get this, open Claude or the Anthropic developer platform in your browser and sign in to your account. From there, generate or copy your API key if required. Once you have the key, return to Obsidian and paste it into the plugin settings field. After entering the key, save your settings. In some cases, you may need to restart Obsidian for everything to initialize properly. So, if the plugin doesn't appear immediately, simply close and reopen the app. Now the connection should be active. At this stage, you can start using Claude directly inside Obsidian. For example, you can ask it to summarize notes, generate outlines, brainstorm ideas, rewrite content, and even help write content without constantly switching between apps. This is especially useful for students, researchers, writers, and anyone managing large amounts of information. A good tip is to organize your vault clearly before using AI tools heavily. Keeping folders and note titles structured makes it much easier to generate focused and accurate outputs. And that's it. You've successfully connected Claude to Obsidian and can now use AI-powered assistance directly inside your note-taking workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more AI productivity tutorials, Obsidian tips, and step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.